Now we are going to study the topic from acids and bases. Yes. Neutralization in everyday life. So in our stomach, in the digestive system, our stomach produces hydrochloric acid, which helps in the digestion of food without injuring the stomach. Yes, our stomach produces hydrochloric acid, which helps in the digestion of food without injuring the stomach. Yes, so in the indigestion process, the stomach generates too much acid. This causes pain and irritation. To get relief from this pain, people use base called antacids. Such antacids neutralize the excess acid in the stomach. Okay, so in the indigestion process, the stomach generates too much acid and this causes pain and irritation. To get relief from this pain, people use bases called antacids. Such antacids neutralize the excess acid in the stomach. So, self-defense by animals and plants. When a honeybee stings a person, it injects an acid in that person's skin, which causes pain and irritation. Yes. Now, you can observe in this picture. So, when a honeybee stings a person, it injects an acid in that person's skin, so which causes pain and irritation. So, washing on the stung area of the skin with a mild base like baking soda gives relief. Okay. Now, so it is because baking soda can neutralize the acid injected by the honeybee owing to its basic nature. Here, stinging hair of leaves of nettle plant injects methanoic acid, causing burning pain. So, to get relief of that pain, people will use baking soda. So, baking soda acts as a mild base. Yes. So, to provide relief, a medicine basic in nature can be rubbed in the affected area. Such a medicine is a leaf of the dog plant, which often grows beside the nettle in the wild. So, the leaf of the dog plant can neutralize the acid. But we have already studied that new salts are formed by the neutralization reaction of a base with an acid. So now salts. We have seen in the process of neutralization, both acids and bases are mixed in definite proportions, produces salt and water. Yes, so when an acid is reacts with base, it forms salt and water. So we can say this is the neutralization reaction. So we also know that the reaction between an acid and base is known as neutralization. Yes, so for example, by neutralizing hydrochloric acid with sodium hydroxide, we can also call this as a caustic soda. By neutralizing hydrochloric acid solution with sodium hydroxide solution, a salt sodium chloride is formed. So here this NaCl is the salt. So one important note here, all neutral solutions are not salt solutions. For example, sugar or starch solutions are neutral solutions, but they are not salt solutions. So remember that all neutral solutions are not salt solutions. Here, sugar or starch solutions are neutral solutions, but they are not salt solutions. Now, fertile organic manures. In recent years, the use of chemical fertilizers increased. Through the use of chemical fertilizers increases production, it affects the nature of the soils. So, some fertilizers increases the acidity of the soil and some its basicity. Some fertilizers increases the acidity of the soil and some fertilizers increases the basicity of the soil. Thus, the use of natural organic manure is preferred these days. Yes, now we have in this picture types of salts. So salts which change blue litmus to red. Salts which change blue litmus to red are acidic salts. And salts which change red litmus to blue are basic salts. Some salts affect neither blue nor red litmus. So these are called neutral salts. We have three types of salts: acidic salts, basic salts and neutral salts. Here acidic salts change blue litmus to red and basic salts turns red litmus to blue, and neutral salts neither blue nor red. Yes. Now, here the following table gives the information about the acidic salts, basic salts and neutral salts. You can see here acidic salts, basic salts, neutral salts. See, these are some of the examples for acidic salts, basic salts and neutral salts. Now here the following table shows the use of acids, bases and salts. Here, acid. Here, acetic acid. The use of acetic acid, preparation of pickles. Citric acid. Citric acid is used in preparation of pulihora. That means it will present in lemon and tamarind. Generally we will use to prepare pulihora, tamarind and the lemon. And carbonic acid. Carbonic acid will be present in cold drinks. Oxalic acid. So this is used in removal of ink stains. Sulfuric acid. This will use in manures and batteries. Hydrochloric acid. This will use in medicine and dyes. And nitric acid. This will use in explosives. And come to the bases. Ammonium hydroxide. So this will use in removing of grease stain. Potassium hydroxide and sodium hydroxide used in soaps and detergents. Calcium hydroxide. This will use in bleaching powder. And next, aluminium hydroxide. This will use in fire extinguishers. And come to the salt table here. Common salt. Generally, we will use in our home to food preparation. washing soda. So washing soda, this will use wash clothes. And baking soda, this will use in cold drinks. These are some of the uses of acids, bases and salts in our day-to-day life. Now, here knowledge check. The first question. The substances which react with acids to form salt and water is known as the substances which react with acids to form salt and water are known as. The right answer is base. So here in the process of neutralization, both acids and bases are mixed in definite proportions, produce salt and water. And next, which of the following is a neutral solution but not salt solution? One of the four options here, neutral solution, but it is not salt solution. Yes, that is starch solution. All neutral solutions are not salt solution. I already said sugar or starch solutions are neutral solutions, but they are not salt solutions. And next, when litmus paper touches acidic salts, then the color of litmus paper changes from dash color to dash color. Yes, the right answer is blue to red. When litmus paper touches acidic salts, we know the litmus paper changes from blue to red color. Yes. Now, the final question. Which of the following is the most accurate way of representing neutralization? Yes. The right answer is B. Acid plus base gives rise to salt plus water. Here, the reaction of an acid with base produces a salt and water, known as neutralization reaction.